Understanding no contest in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that can sometimes be a bit puzzling. No contest. This expression is handy in various contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your English language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, no contest, originates from legal jargon, where it is used as a plea that neither admits guilt nor disputes the charge. This is similar to pleading guilty in terms of the outcome, but it doesn't involve an admission of guilt. However, outside of legal contexts, no contest has a different flavor. It signifies a situation where there is no competition due to a clear superiority of one side over the other. For instance, if someone says, when it comes to speed, bicycles are no contest for motorcycles, they mean that motorcycles are obviously faster. No contest can be used in everyday language to express that there is no doubt about the outcome of a comparison. Here are some examples. In a battle of wits, she was no contest for her quick-thinking opponent. As far as convenience is concerned, ordering online is no contest compared to shopping in store. Using no contest correctly involves recognizing situations where there is an evident winner or superior option. It's not just about a slight difference, it's about an undeniable disparity. Remember not to use it for close calls or situations where there's a serious competition. And there you have it. The phrase, no contest, is a powerful addition to your English repertoire, signaling an undisputed outcome or a lack of competition. I hope this explanation helps clarify its usage for you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.